Today we'll learn how to create a Sankey chart in Tableau in very easy steps. So if you know, like previously in Tableau, to create a Sankey chart you will have to create like multiple calculated fields, and it was very tricky and complicated. But with a new extension which is provided by Tableau, it's pretty easy. You can create a Sankey chart in hardly like 30 seconds or 1 minute max. Okay, so I will just guide you like how to do that. So very first step is, and first of all, I'm connecting to the Superstore data set, where I have like a order table, return table, that I have pulled it into my data set. So let's start. So first step is go to marks, click on this drop down and go to add extensions under waves extensions. Once you click over here, you will see this kind of a window pops up, and you will see the first extension over here is Sankey in my Tableau, and which is provided by Tableau itself. So you can just click on it and it's free. Click on open, and once you do that, then you will see that in the drop down you can see Sankey under Wiz extension. Okay. Now the second step is to select two dimensions, and obviously you need one measure to link those two dimensions in the Sankey chart. So I will select category over here, and my second dimension will be segment. Okay. Once I do that, you will see that by default a Sankey chart is created, but these line it doesn't represent anything because I haven't selected any measure yet, right? And what I want to do is to connect these two dimension based on the sales that we have received, right? So just double click on sales, and then you see that the width of the lines have changed a little bit, right? So that's it, like your Sankey chart is ready. So we can definitely do some some formatting over here. For that you can click on this format extension, and I will show you what are the different options here. So width, this is basically the width of these column where you're showing the dimensions. So for example, if I increase it to 200, you will see the width of these column have increased, right? Similarly, level padding is the padding between the values of dimensions. So for example, if I click this to if I increase it to like 6 or 5, you will see this little space, this is getting increased. Similarly, link padding is nothing but again the padding over here between the dimension and the line, that will increase. So for example, if you see, if I increase it to 10, you will see this space got increased, right? Ignore null. Basically, if there is any null sales, then I will not select it by default, but if it depends on your requirement, if you want to ignore it, then you can just check it up, and this your Sankey chart will exclude the null values. Okay. Similarly, you have header tab, font options, level options, and also you can change the palette, the color palette of the Sankey chart. So currently by default it selects like Tableau 10. Now suppose if I want to go with maybe colorblind, then you can see this color palette got changed, right? And if you want to just reset to default, you can just click on it, and it will reset to default. So this is how easy now it is to create a Sankey chart in Tableau. Thank you so much for watching my video. Let me know if you like the video and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.